This is one of the things I noticed about Music Creator. And, you know, I'm not too unhappy that it happened, but here's what I found, that if you go ahead and hit classical and you hit disco and you hit funk and you hit folk and you hit rock and you hit hip hop, then you say something like this: include all and create. Now we're going to go ahead and create from that, and we're just mixing stuff in. It's like gumbo. So if you think about music gumbo, and if we can create some interesting music gumbo, that's just so game changing for us and our ability to go out there and get all kinds of music. Now you see what I've got here. I've got some things like Phoenix Rising, and I was able to extract the words out. Once I extracted the words out, then what happened was I says, hey, based on these words, based on what you're seeing here, based on just these words, what do you think? Now get this right here, this is the part. What do you think the prompt should be for some music? So what I was doing was taking video, information in the video, and then letting it give me a vibe, give me an understanding of what that might look like. And this is what it came up with. I'm telling you, this is crazy stuff like this. Look at this. I'm serious, y'all. I created this from a prompt of a show that I did 10 years ago. Now tell me that's not something incredible. Now you see what I'm creating. Look at this. All I did was, y'all saw it earlier, as I just plugged in a whole bunch of these things, right? And then it came up with this patchwork groove. Why? Because, well, it's a patchwork of stuff. Let's see what it comes up with. I'm like, I don't know.
Shaft of sun. Grandma's fiddle in the corner. My brother's amp turned up just enough. Boots beating out a backbeat on a crooked wooden kitchen floor.
Now the idea that we get all of that just from putting in some random old stuff is incredible. And you should be impressed.